It's a time to make a very cute rat. Let's make it. How we are going to make it? An A4 size green sheet. We need 2 green rectangular papers. Then we need a pink color rectangular paper. We need child-friendly scissors. Let's thread it with our finger. And then join the other side of the paper and press it down. Press it down and join it. After completing this step, we are going to fold the paper in half. Make sure this side should be equal and fold it in half. This is the opening side as you can see, and this is the closed side. We will fold the upper one flap till this line. Like this. Okay, we will fold this part upwards and then turn around the activity. This side will be plain, right? And then we will take this end and fold it upwards till this line. We will fold it upwards. So both flaps will be like this. So that your child will put the thumb inside the bottom one flap and rest of the fingers, 4 fingers in the top. And now we will take the 2 equal rectangular green papers we have with us, and then in the bottom, tiny hold your pencils. I am going to use the marker. From this point, this is the bottom, we will make 1 triangle, and from this point we will make another 1 triangle. We will cut this part and this part. Then we will join overhead and like this. So basically we are making the legs. Make sure that eyes should be ready. So we will use the 2 circular papers we have with us. We will take them with the help of a black marker. We will make 1 oval over here and 1 oval over here. 1 oval on the left, 1 oval on the right. We will fill rest of the circle. 2 eyes are ready, 2 legs are ready. Now we will take the another 1 rectangular green paper we have. We will fold it in half like a greeting card we make. Like a card we make. Like this, parents, we will fold it in half. And then on the top, we will make a very slight curve like this. So if we fold the paper and we draw a curve and cut it, you will be able to get a shape like this of your rectangular paper. Now parents, it's a pasting time. You can give all the material this one to your child so that they can paste. This is the side where you can see all the plain side, and this is the side where you can see the pocket, bottom and top of it. So on the upper side, on this side, we are going to paste the eyes first. We are going to apply glue, thread it with your finger and paste it like this. And in the center of these 2 curves, we are going to paste the eyes, big round eyes of the frog. After making this forehead with the eyes and nostrils, we will open it. We will open the mouth, and we have to cut the one side of the pink rectangular sheet, pink rectangular paper in little curvy, so that it will look like a tongue, a long tongue of the frog. Now we have to turn it around. You can see the top pocket, center part and bottom pocket. Bottom pocket, center joining part and top pocket. We have to paste the legs over here. One down, one up. One time down, one time up.
Did you enjoy that, my dear children? I am sure you did. Yes, my dear parents. We have many such interesting activities for our children under the EduMax learning program. In the lockdown, when the schools were closed, children could not go to schools. And the schools had the expertise to educate the children. Realizing the fact that we have to continue with the learning, we created this amazing program which makes our children learn by getting minimum strain on their eyes and maximum interaction. It's a full day program for our children to continue with this learning. Just to have an idea how much fun and learning is happening in these classes, do enroll your child for the free trial version of it by calling us upon the numbers that we have shared with you. Yes, my dear parents, believe me, children will love this program as much as we have loved creating it. Do enroll for the free trial version of it and you will not regret it. Believe me. All the best. Thank you.